So, the news is that if you live in the Free State, if you live in certain parts of the Eastern Cape, certain parts of KwaZulu-Natal, certain parts of Mpumalanga and the Northern Cape, if things go according to plan in Lesotho, you might actually find yourself as a Lesotho national, no longer a South African. Think about it. Think about it, whether you still want to remain South African or become a Lesotho national. This is because the Lesotho national is going to be debating a motion whether it should go ahead and reclaim parts of South Africa as Lesotho territory. The parliament in Lesotho actually gave out a notice on the 12th of December that it's going to pursue under the United Nations Resolution 1817, which was passed by the General Assembly plenary meeting of 18 December 1962, to actually go ahead and declare the whole of Free State, parts of the Northern Cape, parts of the Eastern Cape, parts of Mpumalanga, parts of KwaZulu-Natal as comprising the territory of the Kingdom of Lesotho. I think I'll leave a link to this article in the comment section below, so see the comment section below. The motion has been pushed by an MP called Tsepoli Polo, who is the leader of the Lesotho Covenant movement. Crazy times. Historically, of course, the Basotho were found apparently in the Orange Free State, the Eastern Cape, Northern Cape, and Mpumalanga and parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but were actually forced out of their settlements and communities during the Mfecane and the Nguni Wars. And then they ended up in the present-day Lesotho, where they were gathered by King Moshoeshoe I around 1822, and then they became the Basotho Kingdom. In 1871, Lesotho, then Basotholand, was part of the Cape Province actually, but in 1884, it was declared a distinct crown colony by the British Empire. That's how Lesotho became an independent state. But now Lesotho wants what it says it belongs to it. The Free State, the whole of the Free State province, and then parts of the Eastern Cape, parts of KwaZulu-Natal, parts of Mpumalanga, and parts of the Northern Cape. What do you think about these guys? Do you think South Africa is just going to hand over these territories to Lesotho, even if Lesotho passes this motion in its parliament? What do you think? Do you want to become a Lesotho national, or do you want to remain a South African if you stay in these areas that are being targeted by this new motion from Lesotho? Leave your comments and your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.